if the mth term of an AP is 1 upon n and nth term is 1 upon m, then the sum of first mn terms is this mn is quite confusing. Remember, there are three different numbers given. One is m, second is n, and m into n is not at all related to both these. It is totally a different number. You can consider this some x, y, z also. Okay. So remember that point clearly. So therefore t1 equals to what? Let t1 equals to a. Common difference equals to d. So sum is what? Sum n upon 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. Now we want what? Mth term first. So tm equals to a plus m minus 1 into d. Right. But tm is 1 upon n. Therefore 1 upon n equals to a plus m minus 1 into d. Equation number 1. Now again nth term tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. So 1 upon m equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Equation number 2. Okay. Now do 1 minus 2. What happens? 1 upon n minus 1 upon m equals to this a gone. What remains? D into m minus 1 minus n plus 1. Right? Because there is a minus sign. We are doing 1 minus 2. So minus sign, minus n and plus 1. Okay. Okay. So solve this. M cross this m minus n upon mn equals to d into m minus n, because minus 1 and plus 1 will go, m minus n. Okay. So now m minus n gets cancelled. Therefore d equals to 1 upon mn. Okay. Now you got d. Okay. Next is what? Now go for again the nth term, means first equation, this 1 upon n. So what you'll get? 1 upon n equals to a plus m minus 1 into, what is d now? 1 upon mn. Right? Therefore 1 upon n, we have to solve this. Why have we to solve this? We have to find a. That's our target. See here, our target is a and d. D we have found out. Now our target is a. Right? Okay. So 1 upon n minus, take this on the other side, m minus 1 upon mn equals to a. Right? Then again solve this. N is over here. Here it is mn. So make it mn. So mn minus mn plus n upon mn square. We have crossed it basically. So mn minus, you can also do something else also. You can multiply up and numerator and denominator by m also. That also can be done. I have crossed this. So mn minus this mn plus n, the whole upon mn square, right, equals to a. Therefore mn gone, n upon mn square, that is nn gone. So 1 upon mn, right. So sum equals to, now what we want? Sum of mn terms, right. Therefore sum of mn terms equals to mn upon 2, right. This is what the number which we require, mn upon 2 into 2a. Now a is what? 1 upon mn. So that's why 2 upon mn plus this number minus 1, mn minus 1 into d, that is 1 upon mn again. Okay. Now solve this. Mn, you can take mn outside. Mn gone. So what remains? 1 upon 2 into 2 plus mn minus 1, right? Mn minus 1. Okay. Next. Therefore sum equals to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus mn upon 2. Therefore sum of mn equals to 1 plus mn upon 2. Solve this problem again by yourself. Quite easy one, but these mn, mn always confuse you. Okay. Solve it again, because practice will make you perfect. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.